Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can edit your gaming videos in CapCut PC to later then upload it on TikTok. So I am just going to zoom in a little bit on the gaming video itself. I don't want it too small, but it's up to you like how you want to adjust it, and have the video of you playing the game on top. I don't have, this is not me, but I don't actually record myself. Sorry, I don't know why I'm like stuttering, but I don't actually have a video of me playing the game. So here's just a video of a random girl, I guess, and I'm just going to place it here. You can also add in like auto captions if you'd like to. Here, where is it? Text, auto captions, and I'm just going to select the language it's in. I was speaking in Indonesian, so I'm just going to select create. I'm also going to like extend this a little bit just cause. Can I not do that? I literally like froze the frame already. Hold on. Okay. There you go. I had to move this. And here you can like place it down or like place it somewhere else if you'd like to, but usually there's captions here. So maybe like put it up here and like add this so you can see the text better and scale it up a little bit. And you can also go to Canvas and add a background. So select the video here. Make sure it's on the main track. Then select Canvas, and you can either choose just like a color or a style. It is totally up to you what you want to use. Like that, and then, well, that's cute, but I'm just going to use this one. Once you're done, just select export. You don't have to select these as well. Just select video exporting and press export. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Oops, I forgot to play it all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!